In today's video, let me show you how to fix Google account locked out. So if you're facing this issue with your Google account, the way that you can recover your account or unlock your account is going to be through the Google recovery page. So open up a web browser of your choice, simply search for Google account recovery, and you'll need to head over to the first link, which will then prompt you to add in the phone number or the email address that is linked with your Google account. So this way you'll be able to start your recovery process. Make sure that you're using a familiar device or a familiar browser that you recently used or frequently use in order to use your Google account. This ensures that your account recovery process is quick and is successful. So once you do this, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts and you should be able to regain access of your account. But however, in some situations, Google will ask you to try another way, which simply means that it is going to ask you to check your phone or a different device if it cannot straight away access or gain access of your account. So in certain situation, it will send you SMS or even email on a different number or on a different email that you may have linked previously. So this is the exact way on how you do this. But however, if multiple attempts are failing, in this situation you may be triggered into a verification loop. So in this situation, what you'll need to do is wait out 7 days before the cooldown period ends. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.